Are you looking for color corrections or color change service? Pattern change for apparel/garments photos? Or color change for garments or furniture photos like these? Replace your stress by smart outsourcing. These are the most common images and instructions that we receive from our clients. To ensure 100% quality and to avoid further revision, our skilled designers process them meticulously, following 3 steps QA checks system. We have structured workflow, large numbers of designers, 3 steps QA checks system, fast and rush delivery without extra charge. Our output says about our quality. Our customers are really happy with our price, quality, and fastest turnaround time. What they say: we are delivering a large number of such images every day. If you are worried about the quality, turnaround time, and price, just send us 10 images which are completely free for you. To send us the images, you can choose comfortable one. Deadlines aren't scary when you're not alone.